Okay, we've sanded our head down. We've adjusted the mouth so the mouth's going to fit okay. We've glued a 1-inch stick into here. We're going up about 2 inches for the stick. So now we're going to drill the hole here for the string. Okay, so now we'll be able to put our string in there. So now what we're going to do is take care of the ends, hook up our stuff on the inside. We've got a block. This is what your hinge is going to go on, which will go in there, and this will get glued in permanently and screwed in. We have a 1-inch ring for our string. We've got 2 of these hooks. One goes into the top of the head. The other one's going to go in to the bottom so you can attach it to the body with a rubber band. We have a 3-inch spring. We're using a 1-inch and then our wooden dowel, which is going to go in here, and that will be for the string to come up and over and down through here to open and close the mouth. This block is going to get the hinge is going to go on this block, and that'll open and close the mouth. So we're going to start with this. We'll set our hinge right here on this. Center it. Pilot hole. That will get attached to the mouth. Now when we hook this up inside, the mouth will open and close. We've got a 24-inch piece of string. We got these two small eye hooks. One will be for the spring. Let's see what we got here. Nope, gotta go in from the front. We're going to have to sand that down just a little bit, but that's going to go in there, and then we'll be back.